everyone, welcome to Bella Kitchen. Today's recipe is Nigerian Chinchin and I will be showing you frying method because we can also bake our Chinchin. I will be using all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, nutmeg, milk, melted butter and some salt. Check the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. So let's continue. Add all the dry ingredients together. Gently sift into the bowl to remove lumps. Can you see the lumps? Add your granulated sugar and then mix with spatula. So make a well in the middle of the flour. Add your egg and give it a good mixture. Then add your melted butter and mix again. Using my spatula and then switch to my hands to give it a good mixture. And at this time I'm going to gradually add in the milk little by little so I can control the consistency. And now we continue to fold, then transfer it onto a clean surface and begin to knead until I achieve a non-sticky dough. And now I'm just going to place the dough into a bowl, cover it with baking paper and leave to rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to flour my surface a bit just so the dough does not stick on the surface. And then transfer the dough back onto the surface. Now I'm going to roll the dough and then cut with my pizza cutter into shapes. Now I'm going to flour the board and then transfer the pieces onto the board. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining. Now I'm trying to separate my chinchin to prevent it from sticky. Now let's proceed to frying. I'm going to preheat my oil. I want to check whether it has reached the desirable degree Celsius by putting one chinchin in. As you can see, it's yet to heat up, so I still have to wait for some minutes. Now I will gradually add in the chinchin and continue moving the chinchin around just to be evenly fried. And at this time my chinchin is ready. I'm going to transfer it onto my board and leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. They will begin to harden up and be crunchy. So here you have my crunchy chinchin. So I'm done for today. If you enjoyed this recipe, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.